In this video, I'm going to help you fix mangaowl. So if you're not able to read stories or anything like that online, whether that's on a desktop or a laptop or a tablet, I'm going to help you fix that right now. So first thing I want you to do is refresh the browser. So it doesn't matter if you're on Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, whatever browser you're on. What I want you to do is refresh the browser by holding down the control button, which will usually be on the bottom of your keyboard, and then hitting F5, which will be the top line buttons on your keyboard. So hold down control and hit F5. And then what you're going to do is you're basically going to clear out the cache, which is the temporary memory, and the cookies that's on your browser. So what you're going to do is on the keyboard, you're going to hold down the control button like you did before, the shift button, which usually will be SHFT, you'll see it, and then delete at the same time, simultaneously. You hold down Control Shift and then hit the delete button. And then that's going to take you to a way to where you can clear out the cookies in the cache. Just look on there, it depends on what browser you have, and just clear out cookies, clear out cache. Okay, next, you're going to clear the local DNS cache to ensure you have recent version of a ISP for mangaowl.net or whatever mangaowl website version that you have, whether that's 2 or whatever. So to do that, what you're going to do is on the very bottom left of your screen, you're going to type in the search. On the very bottom left on Windows 10 and 11, it's on the very bottom left of the toolbar. It says type here to search. Or if it's Windows 7 or another version, you have to actually hit the Microsoft logo on the bottom left and go into search. And then what I want you to do is type in command prompt, COMMAND prompt, and that's going to take you to this little black screen. So the only thing I want you to do is just type in ipconfig/flush DNS. That's ipconfig/FLUSH DNS, and then hit enter, and then it's going to say successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And then from there, the only thing that you do is log out of that, go ahead and turn off the browser, and then maybe restart the computer or the tablet, and then tell me if that works, and you should be good to go. If all that fails and that doesn't work, try using a different computer. If you have an option to have another computer or browser, and see if something else will work. And yes, try different browsers. So if you're using Google Chrome, for example, try Firefox. If you're using Firefox, try Chrome. There's also browsers, one's called Opera, that you can try using, which is really, really good. And then Internet Explorer, it's actually, the new one's called Edge, Microsoft Edge, and you could download that on Google. So try a different version, different browser, if you can't try a different computer. And then one thing you could do is just, if you've never tried using a VPN, try looking into getting a VPN. Alright, thank you so much, and thanks for watching.